Cloud technology, its benefits and drawbacks. Cloud computing definition. Cloud computing is an emergent form of technology that conveniently fosters operability among personnel across the Internet. Research indicates that a cloud is profoundly a collection of networks providing virtual space for entities to complete tasks through online platforms. The system offers three divergent services: Service as a Service, SaaS, Platform as a Service, PaaS, and Infrastructure as a Service, IaaS. Different users exploit the space for entrepreneurial opportunities and strategic online niche market penetration. The principality of cloud computing encapsulates advocacy for dynamic customer service experience within the Internet framework. Different variables influence the performance quotient of cloud computing due to the critical objective outlooks. Srivastava and Khan argue that the fundamental functional features in the spectrum involve elasticity and resource pooling, competent quality of service, pricing, and the accessibility of on-demand services. One of the illustrations encompasses the distinctive use of the platform for business practices. On the one hand, Amazon uses the cloud for marketing its products and services. On the other hand, Facebook exploits the cloud for adept social interactions among consumers. Ideally, the conceptual mainframe is a multifaceted phenomenon targeting the emergent niche global village essence to elevate the service delivery process and corporate activities. Cyberspace plays a profound role in the advancement of connectivity and automation of programs and tasks. Cloud computing is an essential construct for a significant percentage of the global population, attributable to the core factor of enhanced convenience and performance. One of the profound elements of the resource enshrines the reduction of requirements concerning machinery. The system reroutes processes and conventional perspectives among professionals toward the utilization of applications, developmental tools, and data management. Therefore, the creation of the structure fostered the apt engagement of browsers across diverse regions internationally at an affordable cost. Differences between cloud and physical server. There is a significant contrariety between cloud and physical servers based on the provision of utilities and exploitative methodology. On the one hand, cloud server enshrines the use of modified networks and software with lesser requirements, mainly hardware. On the other hand, a physical server involves the proficient use of hardware and software to access applications and processes during browsing procedures. Transcendentally, the cloud server is highly effective, ascribed to the ease and the accessibility of transformative high-execution features through cyberspace. A significant limitation posed by physical servers entails the demand for machinery to manage the data and the applications. Benefits of migrating to the cloud. Cloud computing fosters discerning opportunities for users on account of efficiency and affordability. Research indicates that migration to cloud servers is a necessity for a significant percentage of corporates. One of the critical advantages engulfs convenience due to the ease in storage, sharing, and retrieving of information despite the region. The operator's ability to secure data proficiently in the cloud intensifies the flexibility quotient. Counterparts attain a satisfactory experience along the gradient of collaboration, productivity, and enhanced completion of assigned duties. In a digressive spectrum, the cloud provider earns a significant amount of income from the multi-tenancy practice. The platform renders a dexterous space that disparate institutions utilize within similar computing resources. As a result, the operant and the service provider incur minimal costs based on the regulated scope of expense and managerial initiatives. Cloud computing is a multisectoral phenomenon encompassing a proficient support system for critical information technological infrastructure. Scholars postulate that a divergent accrued gratuity involves the essence of classifying the utilities as operational entities against the capital-intensive expense. The initiative renders a sustainable accountability measure engulfing limited tax quotation and added return on investment. It is the responsibility of key stakeholders to implement policies that boost the exploitation of cloud servers due to the trickle-down effect across the commerce framework. Cyberspace impeccably elevates the reliability scale based on the secure storage of information with affirmed accessibility from different locations. Primarily, the feature amplifies the prime utilization of resources for competent outcomes. The paramount advancement of technology internationally and across sectors culminates in the importance of improving the service experience. Cloud computing empowers vendors and clients with the propensity for scalability. Ideally, the entities regulate bandwidth and service proficiency based on the influx of operations. Therefore, there is optimum sustainability beyond the networks due to the corporate's paradigm shift of concern from capacity building and planning to intensifying customer service experience. An excellent example is the consistent inventions by the Facebook managerial and technical team within the cloud to amplify satisfactory index among the users. The cloud computing concept is an emblem of the booming social media gradient and online business, since it is attributed to the development of functional data caps and compliance with regulatory elements. Drawbacks of a cloud provider. Cloud computing is a practice that, despite the dynamic benefits, poses adverse risks mainly to the users and the state of the data. The main reason for the platform enshrines cyberspace for data storage, sharing, and accessing development tools. However, research demonstrates the core features attributed to the exposure of third-party inclusion. Transcendentally, one of the risks entails the loss of data due to increased downtime and crashing of the system. Therefore, it is crucial to back up the information in hard drives to ensure optimal safety and affirmation of efficient recovery initiatives. A different drawback is latency issues during the retrieval of crucial details, leading to a waste of time and resources. As a result, it is vital to establish high-bandwidth network connectivity to alleviate the common challenge, mainly in remote areas. Over the decades, a prominent problem in cloud computing practice involves the hijacking of services and insecure application user interfaces. Different cloud providers offer distinctive security features and updates. The essence of the program entails boosting the level of impenetrability into the software as a service, platform as a service, and infrastructure as a service. Conversely, the frequent internet disruptions and denial of service bashing cause intentional and outlying factorial data leakage to third-party entities. The distinctive technological vulnerabilities pose a profound effect on the efficiency scaling of higher costs on the accessibility of data. Summary. Cloud computing is an innovative insight steering evolution in the application of technology across the corporate sector. The creation of dynamic cyberspace constitutes the utilization of distinctive networks to ensure the sustainability of higher volumes of users. Fundamentally, the practice promotes convenience and universality on operational outlines through online platforms. The exploitation of the niche is attributed to the apt advancement in the process. Understanding the functional cloud computing apportions plays a crucial role in diversifying internet usage.